Today, we're cooking up a quick and easy breakfast wrap. This is a great way to start your day. It's light and heart healthy. We're going to start by preheating our pan. I chose a cast iron pan because I love the way that the heat just spreads evenly. Next, we're going to prepare our wrap. I went with a multigrain bread that's low in sodium. We're going to add a nice heavy bed of spinach, and for our protein, we're going to use smoked salmon. This is a delicious option, and you can also try something like turkey bacon as well. And to check the heat of your pan, sprinkle some water in the pan, and if it pops and sizzles, your pan is ready to go. Today, we're going to be frying our egg. For a heart healthier option, you could always choose to go with a hard-boiled egg or egg whites. We're going to cook our egg today in extra virgin olive oil. This is once again a heart healthier option than something like butter. Go ahead and crack your egg in the pan. And next, we're going to season our egg with red pepper and black pepper. You could also use paprika or cayenne as heart healthy options, but you do want to avoid the salt. You're going to cook your egg for about 2 minutes on a medium-high heat. Once that egg is nice and done, slide it out of the pan and onto your wrap. Be careful not to break the yolk. And there you have it, an egg on smoked salmon and spinach, a delicious wrap on a multigrain flatbread. Healthy holidays.